Hello everyone, so we are back with another video. We will be looking at how you can customize your desktop icons in Windows 10. So let's start. All you have to do is go to personalize. Here from this menu, go to the themes menu. Right here you can see change desktop icon settings. Now from here you can choose what icons you want to keep or remove. Sometimes your kids or anyone removes this icon or this icon and you gets worried that how can we get them back. So like this, if you uncheck them, apply, they have been removed. Just check them back, apply, and they will come back. So it works like this. See, like this. And okay, so subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment section that did you like the video. If you want to know anything else, also mention that in the comment section. I will make that video for you. Thank you for watching.